texts as well.
Fish looks
No
good.
calls online now, so let's check in with our texts.
Wow.
This one says, "Hi, could you please?"
Be nice if they could have it freely for you outside.
A pair of test glasses.
Oh my goodness.
Taken off to Constant Spring Bus on Thursday, June 29th,
Curry chicken.
10 a.m. was left at the Constant Spring police station. So the owner
What's in that
contacted
pot?
the police.
Sweet potato.
I mean, it's always good to see this kind of for each other. People have them glasses.
Nice. Rice and peas.
It was Constant Spring.
Alright guys. Still have a bag juice. Still have a bag juice. Have a bag juice. Yep, so it was raining. I came in because the thunder and the lightning. Don't know what this is out here. So it seemed, wow, still raining, guys. What the heck? Oh my God. This is flooding up and flooding. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. So where did all this water? Look at this, guys. We have a flood right below me. The bus has to come around and pass me to go up. Oh my God, this is not good. It's flooded, the way is flooded down there. And they just spoke about it the other day, talking about, they put monies. Look at all the water, guys. Then if you sit down the road, flood out. They just spoke about it, they allotted money. Look at the water on the road, guys. It's just moving. I think my basement might get flooded if the water is pushing us up. Look at the drive on this drive over here. Oh my God, buckets and buckets of water galloping down. And they just had meetings about this, that they needed to allot funds to help the water, the amount of water that come. Look at the road, guys. All the water pitching down below me. I live on a little hilly. It's a little hill. I'm a little bit up. But I think I need to go check the basement. Oh my God, look at all the water, guys. This is July 4th. Look at all this water. Whoa, that was a lightning. Look at all of this. The kids. Oh my God, look down the hill. I just saw the bus had to divert and come up. Look at all the water. Oh my God, I just hope nobody, the house at the bottom, they got messed up the last time. Even this house across from me, that one to the left, her house, her basement got flooded out. So I think I need to go check downstairs.